Hey guys, what's going on? So, today I bring you the surprise car that I've been trying to hint at for quite some time here, and here it is. Well, it doesn't look so good right now, but this is a 2016 Chevrolet Impala. And this thing, I'm in the middle of working on it actually. I just decided to get a video up because I keep forgetting to record a video, and I finally got it out of the tent some today so you guys can actually see it and so I can work on it. And as you guys can see, it was in a bit of a wreck. You guys can see I got the fender off. I've got pretty much everything off of this side. There wasn't much on it left, so you guys can see the core support's a little bit pushed in on the bottom there. That's all going to be straightened out and made to be hopefully back to normal, or close as I can get it to back to normal. And what ended up happening to this thing, it actually struck a deer, and it did quite a bit of damage. It must have been going at a pretty high rate of speed, since there was chunks of fat from the deer stuck inside the core support there, right around this area. Heck, there's still pieces of fur and whatnot in there. And I'm just bringing up a photo on my phone real quick. I'm sorry I wasn't too prepared, but this is what it looked like before. I'm sorry about the glare and everything, but there you go. You guys can see that fender's pretty messed up there. So I got this on the 13th of October, and that was a interesting experience. I actually went down to PA to grab this thing, even though it's not the cleanest car in the world. It's from PA, so that has to count for something. You guys can see 16, and it's already kind of crusty a little bit. It's kind of disappointing, actually, seeing that GM hasn't really fixed their rust issues. So even the strut on the top of the strut there is a little crusty, but you know, it's typical GM stuff. But it's got the 3.6 liter it's got the 3.6 liter V6, and these are okay motors. I think they're getting better as they go on, but the original ones weren't as good as these. But they look actually not too bad to work on. The oil filter is really easy to get to, it looks like. You just stick your hand in there and get the oil filter off, as long as the car's not hot. I got a baseball bat holding up the hood right now, because where the fender was, that's the only hood strut. You guys can see where the other side goes in, right there. I mean, that's it. That's all you get on these Impalas. On the older W bodies, you get two, but you're not lucky enough to get two of them on this car. It's really, really filthy, but it'll clean right up. I mean, it runs really good and it drives really good. I mean, it should, for being a 2016. Kind of backed it a little bit too far out, so can't get you guys a great view of the back end, but there you go. It's just your typical Chevy Impala, you know. Same as 06, pretty much. Some very minor changes there from between 06 and 2016. Actually, this is a limited version of the Impala, because this body style was actually different than the main body style in 2016. The main body style in 2016 is a whole different platform, even though that started in 2014. So they were running the W body Impala and a separate more modern version of the Impala at the same time. Is really interesting. If this was the newer style Impala, there would be a lot more damage here, I'll tell you that right now, because this core support soaked up a lot of the damage that happened, really. As you guys can see, it hit right. The main hit was right here, so yep, there you guys go. I mean, I'm not going to start it up for you guys in this video because well, it's a little tight in here. I don't want to scratch the door any more than I have, But I'll get you guys some more videos on this thing. I'm not going to do a video probably of replacing this entire thing, just because I think it would take too long, and I wouldn't get a great camera view anyway because of the fact that it's so tight in here. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's the big surprise I've been waiting for you guys. It's not very surprising, it's not very unique at all, but you know, I gotta get some content out there, and this I figured was a little bit of a good update for you guys, and we'll get this thing fixed up, get it out of here, and get a derby car in here pretty soon, hopefully. Got my eyes on a few cars sitting around, and hopefully I can get this one finished and out of here pretty soon so I can get back to the normal content. So, alrighty guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye everybody.